Hi, my name is Dan Bao, and this is Jim Crystal. We are from Ray White Footscray. I'm delighted to introduce you number 16, Clark's Road, Keilor East. Hope you enjoy the video.
Set back from the street on approximately 631 square metres, this attractive split-level home will surprise you. You'll be impressed by the extended design, the quality extras inside and out, and the bright and spacious interiors. The balcony features views across the suburb and overlooks the private backyard with landscape gardens. Plus, with quick access to the nearby freeways, as well as short walks to the Setaway shopping precinct and Penley and Essendon grammar schools, you'll love this great location.
I hope you enjoyed the video tour, and Dan and I look forward to meeting you at the next open home. For your own private viewing, please call us and we'll be happy to show you through. Thank you.